Hi everyone, I am so excited. I just got the hands-on math skill set part one from Lovevery in the mail. So excited. And I'm not just going to unbox this and review this. We are actually going to show you how I would use this with kids. So Callie, we got our Lovevery box. Are you excited to see what's in here? What do you think's in here?
No.
All right, it's gonna be math stuff. It says hands-on math. Oh. What is it? I don't know what's in here either. I did not peek. Oh. So I wanted to show you this ring set right here. This is definitely one of those things that immediately caught my attention as a teacher. And what stood out to me was it doesn't just give you activities. It actually explains like where to start, why the skill matters, and it gives tips for success. And honestly, I really love that it encourages bringing math into everyday life, like finding shapes in nature or using objects around your home. So let me just show you a sneak peek. So it says, "Hi, you," and it tells you all about different things. It does tell you about each game and each activity that comes into this set. Again, why that game, why you would use that game, some helpful tips to use it, counting, quantity, and also in the back, this I thought was great as well, and it's great quality too. Making patterns at mealtime, like how to bring math into your everyday life, more than, less than, spatial language into your daily routine, finding things out in nature, and just ideas that you can do just on your everyday routine or out and about, going to the grocery store. What do you see? What can you find? Things like that. Um, Cleaning up in sets. In my mind, I'm thinking clean up, categorizing, but let's see if that's what it's about. How to play. Everyday routines like cleanup time are a great opportunity to introduce and reinforce math learning. So yeah, it gives you a whole page and things to try. I love it. Now try making sets of different sizes, sets of two, sets of four. Great activities, great ideas. Like I said, it comes on a sturdy plastic ring, and just the quality is just great with this. I'm just so excited for this set. I just had to share it. Okay, I have more information, so I don't want to spend too much time on one thing because, like I said, there's so much to talk about. Other things that I really liked about this was I love how it builds progressively. Starts with counting and quantity, then addition and subtraction, then shapes and space. Um, and I'm just so excited that why don't we go ahead and show you how we're going to use it with my grandbaby Callie in homeschool. All right, everybody, I'll see you soon. Which bug do you think's gonna win?
This one.
Which bug do you think is going to get all the way to number 5?
Mommy. This one.
Oh, let's go. Okay, roll the die.
1.
Squish one.
This one.
Yep, squish it. All right, which one did you get? Which bug did you get?
Why is it not going?
Oops.
2.
That's the first one. Put it on the first spot. Good job. Okay, Callie, roll the die.
2.
2. Squish 2. Which bug did you get? Okay, you can put them on there. Where will it go?
That's Alma.
Yeah, you matched it. Good job. So we've got one there and one here. Good. Okay, where's that bug going to go? Where does it go? So we have 1, 2. Good job, buddy.
Hooray.
Another one. Wow. 4. Wow. Whoa, look, we have a tie. This one. Oh, how many?
4.
4. This one has 4. And how many does this one have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Wow. Okay, your turn to roll. What?
5.
5. So what happened? Which bug just won? Wow. I think that's a ladybug. So what did
5
you...
ladybugs.
5 ladybugs? What did you think about this game?
Good.
Yeah, was it fun?
Yes.
Yeah, did you like the counting?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So
So what should we do now?
let's do it everyone.
You want to do it for everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Plus the
4.
choo-choo.
It's a choo-choo train, yes.
But there's a choo-choo train.
You're making a choo-choo train. Choo-choo. Look, you put those together and made a choo-choo train. Let's count how many this is. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Wow. 5. How many more do you need? 5, 6, 7. Wow. Good job.
Yeah.
What can we add there?
Kid goes right there. And this kid goes right here.
Oh, the number 1s are the kids?
Yeah.
Oh.
And number 2 is the back.
Oh, that's the back of the train?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And this is a train.
Oh.
So that's the thing.
Oh. Wow. How did you know that was going to go there? Look at all the ways you made 7. 7, 5, and a 2. Wow. So far, I'm really impressed with how thoughtfully this is put together. I love that it combines hands-on learning, real-life math, and games that kids actually get excited about. If you want to check it out, I'll have everything linked below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.